The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty brings you this amazing home. You'll want to take a look at it. It's been updated and so nice, you won't believe it.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And Tracy Cox.
Hello.
And today we are here at 505 Cora Drive in Gassville, Arkansas at the super cute 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And Tracy, are you excited to see it?
I am.
All right, well let's go, John.
Come on, John.
Okay, in we go.
Cute little covered front porch. You could put a couple of rocking chairs out here.
Hey, John.
Hi guys.
You beat us in again.
I did. I call this move-in ready.
It definitely
I would
is.
say so. Look
Yep.
how cute.
It is, and clean.
Yes, and it smells fresh.
Yep.
Everything's so beautiful.
Beautiful floors that open up from the living room, flows right into the dining room and kitchen.
Let me get a better look at that. Heather.
Is that not an adorable kitchen?
It is.
Oh, look at that.
It's actually kind of spacious. I like how wide it is.
Right, you've got plenty of room.
Yeah,
You don't want a kitchen too big because then you're running back and forth.
that's right.
The sink to the refrigerator to the stove.
But it's comfortable with all of us
Yeah.
in here. We don't feel overcrowded. You do have your electric range oven, your refrigerator, and your dishwasher that's staying.
Nice.
Okay guys, show me how big a table we could put here in the dining area.
Well,
You sit on the other side of the table.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
pretty good size.
Yeah,
Yeah,
get on that
it
end.
is. All right, now.
Does this create a good picture for you?
Well, show me how big a big screen we could have on that wall.
All right.
All right. Who needs furniture?
How does that look?
That's it. It's good.
Let's go check out the bedrooms.
All
Yep.
right. I'm right on behind you here.
And you've got this beautiful flooring
Going throughout.
going, yeah, there's a couple of carpeted bedrooms, but
I like carpet in bed.
yes, a lot of people like to get up and have their feet hit a nice warm carpet. And it's clean and
Yes.
fresh looking.
All right, Heather, we need the closet test.
All right. Closet test.
That's a huge
Look.
closet, of course. This is like the 3rd bedroom in
It
the
is.
house.
Yep.
And it's a huge closet.
I like that. There's a couple of little shelves here too. You
Is
can
there?
put your little knickknacks or your books or something.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what's the next bedroom, TC?
Let's head on down.
Well, it's another good sized bedroom.
It is, yes.
With another
With another good sized closet. Yes, you've got some little shelves in here.
So there's little built-ins in all the closets.
Yes.
And you have nice neutral colors throughout, double pane windows. And across, John, you have your primary bedroom. A little bit bigger of a closet. It's a little bit wider. Now, like you have double racks here.
Wow,
Very nice.
absolutely. And then, oh, look at that bathroom.
Isn't that lovely?
Oh man, I'll tell you what.
You won't find a cleaner house.
No, you won't, or a better use of space in that bathroom.
Mm-hmm. I love that.
Glass, it just makes it seem so much larger. Oh wow.
It's very classic looking.
Yes. And John, on our way through, there's another bathroom in the off the hall. We can check it out too.
Take a look at that. Oh yeah. Ooh. Hello. And that's a tub shower combo. Oh, and look at that. Get everything from the kids to the dog in there.
What about the garage, Heather?
Well, just right off of the dining room, you have a 1-car garage that's very spacious.
Oh my gosh, that garage is cleaner than most of the homes we
That's true.
You know, Heather, I noticed, and I'm sure you do too, whenever an owner keeps their home clean, they also maintain it in every little detail.
That's right.
So you can tell how much they love this home.
Yes.
Right.
You have access to your water softener and your water heater, and then your washer dryer would go out of here. So that's why the garage is so deep.
Absolutely.
And I like that you have an exterior door there, but we're also going to go out this door and check out this awesome deck. John, what you got grilling out here for us?
Well, I got some burgers and
You know, this is where I'd be hanging out.
Yes.
It's covered. You can enjoy a nice day like today.
Beautiful tree. I love that tree over there.
Yeah, they've
Nice.
added some plants
Yes.
to make it more homey.
The outside mimics the inside. It's just clean.
And very easy to maintain yard.
And looks like there's a very convenient storage building there, Heather.
Privacy fence with the double gates right there. And you won't believe how clean and neat the storage shed is.
So right through that gate and then right up the ramp as far as your lawn equipment or your motorcycle.
Ooh, I didn't think about that. Or all your fishing stuff, because you're just right here off of Cotter Road, which is down the road from the White River in Cotter, Arkansas.
Wow. Oh, what a little nice touch. There's even a little window up there.
That is cute.
It's just sweet. I think, you know, if someone wanted to put some insulation in here and a little mini split, this could be all kinds of great things. I still love that yard though. Fire pit. And there's even a lean-to in back here.
So if you didn't want to put your lawnmower up there, you could put it under the lean-to.
I have to say, I've noticed the corner of the fence is not 90 degree.
Right.
I love that. It makes it look a little bit more octagon shaped.
Yeah.
Unique and different.
Yeah.
Well, also though, just to understand that there's a utility easement behind the fence, and that's just to provide room for the manhole, so they don't have to tear your yard apart if they have to unclog the plumbing.
Yep.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah.
And you have all city utilities here. Can't beat that. It's a pretty tree.
What kind of tree is that?
I don't
It's
know.
a
but I like it. It's
cedar. Some kind of cedar tree.
Blue,
Yeah.
It's
Blue
a
cedar?
spruce, isn't it?
some spruce, yeah.
So that's an evergreen.
Oh, it's beautiful.
It is.
Well, Tracy, what did you think of the home?
Man, this would be a perfect home for like a small family or a older couple.
Starter home even?
Starter home.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just for
looking to
anybody.
downsize.
It's just clean. It's nice. Anybody would be lucky to have this house.
Yep, and like John said, move-in ready.
That's right.
It is.
That's
And,
right.
You know, even though it's in a small town and in a little bit of a subdivision here, but with the privacy fence, it's like being out in the country, isn't
That's
it?
right,
You know,
yeah.
all the breeze, but
I
no
know.
noise.
So Heather, if somebody wanted more information on the house, what do they need to do?
Well, they can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Wasn't that just an amazing home? If you'd like to know more or schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on social media. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.